Hello besties and welcome to today's video. Today I have an unboxing of the Modelones Polynail extension gel kit. And it's pretty exciting because it has a lot of colors and some more goodies in it. So let's open it together.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
Opening the box, you will find some forms. These are super curved. So you can see, oh my god, you can make some claws with that. So yeah, you can see that if you put that on, it goes completely like, I don't know how I feel about that because I'm not really a fan of so curved extensions, but this is what this came with. And then there are these ones that are a little straighter. And they would fit your nail like this. This is more like it. Those are all square, but you can also just, you can make them oval or you can make them pointy and stuff. It comes with a file of 180 grit, a base coat and a top coat. Of course, a slip solution. If you don't have a slip solution, you can always get some rubbing alcohol. It also has a brush. It comes really nicely packed. So one side of it is the actual brush itself. And on the other side of it is the spatula. These are the 6 colors that it comes with. And it also has some extra holographic butterflies and some really cute chrome powder. We're gonna try these on a set today on this hand. Let me show you the colors. First of all, there's clear. There's clear. Oh, okay, this is what it looks like. It feels very soft and easy to work with. It also looks very, very transparent. We'll be curing this for around a minute. Then we got this pink color. This looks so pretty. I don't know if you can see the actual color on the camera. Let's blend it. Very sheer nude pink color. So pretty. Then there is this darker pink. I think this is supposed to be a camouflage color. This looks like this. Or I could say that it's more of a nude shade, not as pink. That is also super pretty. It's gonna blend in my actual skin color so much. And I will go to the pretty stuff. This is a black, sparkly, shimmery color. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It has little shimmers and they're kind of brown or bronze, I could say. And I think this is what made me buy this set. It's the same thing in white pretty much, but it has holographic sparkles in it. It's honestly so pretty. And last one, it also came with black, which is more of a graphite. I guess it's not a black, it's a gray. This is what this gray looks like. And here we go. This is what the colors look like. Honestly, such a beautiful palette. And now we're gonna make a nice long set with it. I'll also put some top coat on the backs of the symbols. Into the light. Come on guys, I also want to make a color for the powder. We're gonna do some base coat, or we're gonna do the top coat, I think. We're gonna curate for 20 seconds, more or less. That looks super fancy. I'll take my little sponge and dip it in. Oh, wow. This gives me, oh my god, the camera doesn't do it justice. I think the top coat also has like a yellowish tone. Yeah. Let me try it on base coat instead. This will give it a sticky layer to attach to. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, that's more like it. This is probably what it was gonna look like on an actual nail. I think I'm gonna experiment more with this, with some non-yellowish top coat, because the product itself is kind of light blue, and putting that yellow kind of makes it look green. On this side though, it kind of looks very pretty. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna try this some more. So I've already found my sizes. Just so that this video is not too long, we're gonna do this hand with the polygel extension kit on the next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Mwah!
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted.